Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over my top 5 meme tokens. So I'm not telling you to pick any of these up. I'm just sharing with you my top 5. These are tokens that, and we're going to start in order of kind of higher market cap, and we're going to get into some really degenerate stuff here. But these are tokens that I think are going to do really well, specifically because Bitcoin is on a trajectory to really move forward. We get the halving coming up, and effectively this next bull run, these are meme tokens that if you wish to pick them up, I think these are going to be very successful. Okay, so again, we're speculating. These are meme tokens. Do not pick these up because I'm talking about them in this video. So I just want to talk about that. So before we get started, I want to remind you all to like, comment, and subscribe. That's one way you can help us out here on the channel as well. So let's share with you the screen, and we're going to go over to CoinMarketCap, and specifically, we're going to get into the memes. So we're going to go under categories, okay? And right here we got memes, and we're going to go by order of market cap. So higher market cap, meaning there's more dollars put into it, and they're a little more safer for meme tokens. You guys already know some of these, but there's a couple on the list here that you probably have never heard of. So number 1, we got to talk about Dogecoin, and again, we're going to adjust the list here. Okay, so Doge. Why do I like Doge? Well, this is going to be more of a safer play, but Dogecoin is the GOAT of meme tokens, okay? When you talk about a top 5 list, you have to have Dogecoin on there. So it's kind of tied to Elon Musk in some ways. It's the first meme that really worked. So you're talking about a token that's already hit 50 cents in the past. We'll get into the price here. So let's see where Doge is lying on the week. So today we are February 27th, 2024. February 27th, 2024. And it's like 12:30 a.m. So I'm trying to cram in some videos because I got a busy week this week. So on the week, we're up 2%. On the month, 11%. On the year, only 10%. So look at this. By the way, fun fact, I bought $20 of Dogecoin back in like 2017. And long story short, I finally recovered my wallet. It was 20 bucks worth, 19 something, and it turned into like 4,900 USD. Then I effed around with some of it, but I did pick up Dogecoin before it ever pumped. So kind of a fun little story there. All right, so Dogecoin, it is the OG. You're talking about a $13 billion market cap, looks like there, and that's going to be number 1. If you want a safer meme token, that's going to be it. But again, I recommend to check out the other videos and really assess the situation, right? Cryptocurrency is already as speculative as it gets. To pick up a meme token, that's super speculative, right? So just understand what you're playing with. I just want to mention that to anyone. Number 2, and there are some other picks. Shiba is a good one in terms of a higher market cap, but we're going to go right after Pepe. Okay, so I'm actually going to move this one down. So we've got Pepe, and the reason I like Pepe is because it's just kind of worked, right? So you got the market cap, not even at $1 billion. It looks like 880 million, and this thing's pumping right now. So if there's something you want to take a look at that could do well this year, it's going to be Pepe. So again, we're going to go to all time because like when you talk about volatility, it's meme tokens, right? So I'm holding a little bit of Snek. That's about it right now. So that will be on the list here as well. But that's Cardano's meme token. But Pepe, if you take a look at the contracts, and this is a great way to check out the contracts. If you guys look in the bottom left corner, you can add this to your MetaMask to make sure you're using the right Pepe token. So there are scams out there. Circulating supply 100% is out there. So all the tokens are out. And right now it's just, if you want to pick some up, it could probably do well long term. This thing could get to, if we have a bull run, if we really get Bitcoin to like 100 grand, this thing could really, really trickle up. Okay, so 80% is nothing. But again, if you were to pick some up now, it's already kind of at this high. So let's go back. Let's find Snek. So Snek is Cardano's meme token. It's absolutely hilarious. Actually, that's number 4. So number 3 is going to be Bonk. So Bonk is Solana's premier meme token. So guys, comment down below if you have any of these. Comment down below as well if there are any meme tokens that you have found interesting or if you've picked them up. Definitely, I'd like to know that. So comment that down below. Let's take a look at Bonk. So Bonk, I had a little bit at some point in time, but it's gone down, right? Let's see. On the month, not bad. On the year, I mean, it's kind of crushing on the year, but a lot of people are getting some here. I got some up here and kind of just got rid of it. So this one has a pretty large market cap, but I think it's going to do well. So the idea of a Bonk as a meme token is if you are a fan of Solana, if you are in the Sol ecosystem, that's going to be the meme token for Solana. So as Sol rises in price, Bonk's going to do well as well. So that's why it's number 3 on the list. So the next one is going to be Snek. And the reason I like Snek, there are a lot of good ones, right? Even this one. And Snek is absolutely hilarious. I've done some in and out trading with Snek. Actually, I did a video, this poor subscriber, I forget the name of him, but Snek had never reached like 100 mil market cap. I think it was back here, right? And I made a bet with one of the subscribers. I'm like, dude, like I bet you 100 ADA, Snek's going to go to 100 mil market cap, and it did. Then it crashed, right? So it could have been back here, actually. Anyways, Snek is hilarious. Actually, they did so well that they even launched a Snek energy drink. So you can go to snek.com. I think it's snek.com and get an energy drink. Let's go through this. This is so ridiculous. So the idea of it, it's a snake, and it's just so good. It's so good of a meme, right? So let's go here. Get Snek. Where's the Snek energy? I think it's called Snek energy. Let me find that for you. So it's Snek energy. And people have drank these things. I don't know if I would. Sounds pretty sketch to me, but there you go. Snek energy. Unbelievable. So some of these meme tokens, you can provide utility if you do well enough. So the people behind Snek, they've had a plan. And their plan was to launch a blue citrus Snek drink. So seriously. Guys, comment down below if you've ever had the Snek. The Moose has a bubbly now, but he's probably going to want to pick up some Snek and get that extra energy, right? So if the Moose gets loose, it's because he's going to, you know what, let's just buy some. Should we just buy some right now? Check out. If I could use ADA, I'd get some. But anyways, that's Snek. You guys do your own research. I think Snek's going to do well. So the final one, it's a smaller market cap. So Snek, you could see massive gains because you're at 80 mil of market cap, okay? So the fact is, if you're at 80 mil of market cap and we can get to 3, 4, 5 billion, that's where you get the X's in your gains there. So the next one is going to be Ponky. So I do have a little bit of Ponky. I've had it for over a week now. So I got some down here and it's starting to go back up. So this is one that has a market cap of 15 mil. So something that has a market cap of 15 mil and it's on Solana, that's kind of a recipe for a good opportunity. So it's pretty interesting. We'll even take a look here. And again, if you want to do well with the meme token potentially, again, you just remember this is risky. This is stupid. Okay. Ponky is a degenerate gambler with anger issues on the Solana network. So that's what you guys are getting into, right? Just understand what you're doing. But it's available, right, on Jube. And that's a great Jube. That's a big aggregator. Looks like it's on a couple of centralized exchanges there. So yeah, it's a terrible token. but that's the point of it. So those are my top 5. Guys, comment down your top 5 meme tokens. I also talked about Woof at one point. I don't have any anymore. But, this could be an opportunity to get in on something that could, go back to the 4 cent mark or higher. I do not know. This is all for fun, okay? So check it out. Go under category memes and take a look at some other projects. So before we get going, guys, pick up a Loose Moose NFT. This is the official channel NFT. So these are really cool. You get automatically entered in for potential airdrops. So just by owning one, I send tokens to winners from royalties, etc. When I bring people on. And we also have links for hardware wallets. So if you guys want to protect your crypto assets, pick up a Trezor, pick up a Ledger, pick up a Tangem. We'll try to catch it again. So Tangem is really cool. Use code Moose, save up to 10% off this. And yeah, we also have online courses. We have the free Cardano mini course. Guys, it's free. It's also on the YouTube channel. So subscribe. If you guys want to learn about what is ADA, how to stake, how to yield farm, I answer everything you need to know to build a nice solid foundation in your education for ADA. I'm going to build other ones. I'm going to build a Solana one. I'm going to build a Bitcoin one, Ethereum one, completely for free. And if you want, pick up a course. They're $10-15 USD, maybe 10 to 20. And these are great. I have 500,000 students on Udemy. It's a platform where I help people create online courses, and I teach there myself as well. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.